up, guys? Trains here.
Here we are at Bollo Lane, Richmond line level crossing in Greater London with Joe, M Trains and train level 123.
Train level 123. Okay, Joe, we'll read.
Right, time now is 10:48 on Saturday, Sunday the 4th of March 2018, and this is for your 10:48, 10:49 to November 20 London Overground service from Richmond to London Stratford.
I convinced him to do a second closure because it was like a minute.
Yeah.
It was literally like a minute between the trains, so.
Probably we could probably have been on our way to next crossing by now. If it wasn't for Michael.
You what? What's like
You're
3
in the way of my shot. You're in my shot.
Train's coming from that way. No, look, this barrier's bent a little.
Like you.
No, look, there's.
No, no.
It's sort of a little bit.
I can
curved.
see.
Yeah, it's just a little bit bent. And no, not like me, Joe.
Here it comes. Oh, that's an London Underground train going over. And there's the next one. 378 213. Three 78213 to London Stratford.